The device you're holding right now is powered by something you literally walk on every day: sand. The sand we walk on contains something called silicon, and silicon is the main material used to make processors. So technically, your phone is just very organized sand. First, they extract silicon from sand. They heat it at insanely high temperatures, like over 1,500 degrees Celsius, and they turn it into an ultra-pure material. Then this silicon is shaped into super thin discs. They're called wafers. These shiny plates will literally become the brain of your devices. Now comes the crazy part. Machines start engraving microscopic circuits onto these wafers. And when I say microscopic, I mean invisible to the human eye. These circuits become billions of tiny switches called transistors, and those transistors handle everything. Opening apps, playing games, watching videos, even this video right now. Simple analogy, think of a processor like a massive city, with roads, signals, traffic, decisions happening nonstop. But all of it fits on something smaller than your fingernail. And the wildest part? This entire process starts with something we literally step on at the beach. Sand to silicon to circuits to processor, and we got modern technology. So, yeah, next time your phone lags and you want to throw it across the room, just remember someone turned beach sand into the most complex object humans have ever built.